Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make an amazing black bean prawn curry from scratch. Quick and simple recipe. You can make this dish when you run short of time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need to make this dish. Here I have got half cup of black beans. Wash and soak it for 6 hours or leave it overnight. Into a pan, add the soaked beans with the water. Do not discard the water, it has all the nutrients. Boil it and set it aside. Heat up half cup of oil and roast the sliced garlic. Fry until it turns golden. Into the same oil, fry 3 red chilies. Once it changes its color, remove it from the oil. Into a blender, add the boiled black beans. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of palm sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half an inch of ginger finely sliced, add the roasted garlic and chilies, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, add 75 ml of infused oil in which we have fried the garlic and chilies. Grind into a fine paste. Store it in the refrigerator and use it whenever you need it. If you do not have time, you can use the store-bought sauce as well. This is half a kilo jumbo prawns, shelled and deveined. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, mix well. Set it aside to marinate. While the prawns is getting marinated, let's prepare the curry. For that, into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add red chilies, crushed garlic. Saute it for a minute or fry until the garlic turns golden. Add the marinated prawns and cook for 2 minutes on a medium heat. Prawn is half cooked. In this stage, let's add 3 tablespoons of black bean sauce. I'm using a cup of seafood stock. You can also use chicken or vegetable stock. Give it a nice mix. Let it cook for 2 more minutes. Add half a teaspoon of palm sugar. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. Check for the salt and add if required. Half a teaspoon of soya sauce. Combine everything together. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in some stock to make a smooth slurry and add it to the pan and mix well. Black bean prawn is almost done. Add a teaspoon of vinegar, some roughly chopped onion leeks. Add 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts. This will give a nice crunch when you bite on it. There you have it, prawns in black bean sauce. Incredibly delicious. Try this prawn gravy and share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. If you do, consider subscribing. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.